Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Oh my god! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is not a wing! This is like half a wing. What kind of monstrosity? Take it. Hi guys, it's me again. Back again with another mukbang. This time we have these wings from Voodoo, which is like, I guess a local chain in Vegas. Yeah, Voodoo wings, and I have here mango habanero flavored wings with a couple strips of celery, ranch, and then the side of these like really unique looking fries. They kind of look like potato wedges, and I'm just eager to like see what they taste like. Anyways, this was like a spontaneous like decision to like, order Voodoo because I don't know, I've been really craving wings and I just wanted something to eat that was like really good and we didn't have anything at home, so I just decided to order takeout. And yeah, I have here a Coke too, so I'm so thirsty right now. Anyways, I feel like the lighting is super weird right now because it's gloomy and raining outside. So yeah, I apologize if, like, I don't know, the lighting is just like super off today. Anyways, I'm gonna go try finding ketchup packets for these fries and I'll be right back. Okay, I couldn't find any ketchup, so I'm just substituting it with Valentina sauce. And I don't know, it'll probably taste kind of bad, but I don't know, I just heard someone behind me and it kind of creeped me out. Anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna substitute it. I don't know if it'll taste good, but I'm just working with what I have right now. And I'm gonna tie my hair up first because it's been like flying all over the place for me. Like, not only is it rainy and gloomy, it's like windy too. So my hair is like a mess right now. I'm gonna go and get started. And here's the mango habanero flavored wings. Looks super yummy. I'm gonna take a piece. I like taking like the skin first for some reason. No, where? Oh, fuck. Yes, yes, yes! Sorry, I just love wings. Like, a lot. Kind of unhealthy. I feel like my makeup looks a mess today. I spent like literally 5 minutes, or not, probably not even 5 minutes. Like, I wanted to take 5 minutes, but it actually took like 15. But basically, Daisy, she had like a grooming appointment today. Started at 10. I got out of the shower at like 9:30, so I'm like, crap, I don't have enough time to like get dressed and like do like a full face of makeup. So I was just like, fuck it, I'll just do a quick 5-minute makeup look thingy and call that a day. But yeah, like my eyeliner isn't even fully like taken. Yeah, this is going to shit right now. But as I was saying, my eyeliner isn't even taken all the way to my inner corner. My lipstick, it looks like, you know when people have butthole lips? Yeah, I didn't even have time to like exfoliate and moisturize my lips. My eyebrows are a mess. Like, from far away you can't really tell, but like up close you can see like all the patchy spots and like it's just so not defined. Not even natural looking either. So honest right now, these don't really taste like, I don't really taste the mango in this. It's just like straight up spicy wings to me. But that's fine too. Nothing wrong with that. I'm gonna go in and try the fries. They're more like, yeah, like I said earlier, potato wedges. I just want to try it with the ranch. I like how crispy it is on the outside and then how mashed potato-y it is inside. So crispy on the outside, creamy on the inside. That's what I meant to say. Ooh, I have a big piece right here. See? Ooh. I just want to know what you guys... think is better. Do you guys like drumsticks? What is the other part? Drumsticks or flats? Okay. Let me know in the comments because I feel like a lot of people argue over this. And in my honest opinion, flats are better. But I'll still eat drumsticks. Like I am right now. But I don't know, flats are just a lot easier to eat in my opinion. But like in general, boneless wing people, these people don't count to have an opinion on this because boneless wings are chicken nuggets. Don't at me. This one is really meaty. I mean, I guess the one pro about drumsticks is that they're a lot more meaty. But yeah, other than that, I don't know, I just find it difficult to eat. I'm gonna take a piece of celery. You're gonna listen to this crunch. Okay, ready? You want a piece of celery? Huh? I think I'm just gonna stick with the fries with the ranch, not the hot sauce. Don't you kind of hate when you like peel too much skin? And so you're just like, wait, I want to evenly portion out the meat and the skin. Maybe I'm just weird. Maybe that's just me. But that's just how I eat wings, you guys. Also, another question about wings. Do you guys finish it completely? Like you clean up the bone? Or do you just like to leave the end pieces? I just want to like know these things because people like get into heated arguments about this, and I just genuinely want to know what the vast majority of people actually do. Me, I like to clean all the meat off the bone because if you don't, it's just a waste of chicken. Like the chicken didn't die for it to not be finished. Like You feel me? Chicken died for this. You might as well just eat the whole thing and appreciate it. Here's that extra piece of skin that I forgot about. You're fucking kidding me. This... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is not a wing. This is like half a wing. What kind of monstrosity? No. This is like borderline a boneless wing. I feel disrespected. Absolutely disrespected. No. But I'm gonna still eat it though. I have a feeling that my mom is gonna come home any minute, so... Oh shit. So like, yeah. She might come in the background or whatever while I'm filming. This was a smaller wing. Oh! I keep dropping my wings. Maybe I'm just too excited. I'm eating so fast. But I just hate when like the whole end is so, like the end, the piece that you barely even like touch on. Instead of it maybe hitting like the middle, you know? So like I told you guys earlier, I took Daisy to the groomers today, and basically she didn't get groomed because the people at PetSmart, they couldn't do it. So like, I haven't really given her a proper haircut in the past few months, just because I've been caught up with a lot of other things. And because when she was given to my cousin for a couple months when we went to the Philippines, she didn't really get like a big haircut then either. She only got like a small trim. And so basically now she has like all these mats. And like I was really scared that like it was gonna get super bad. So I've been meaning to take her like to the groomers as soon as possible. So I took her there and like they tried to like shave off everything, but they couldn't. They could only shave like most of the body Not even the chest, not the head, barely even the legs. But yeah, they just told me, I'm sorry, we can't do this because she's being too fidgety and fussy, and she doesn't like being cut around the face. That's what like previous PetSmart groomers have like said to me about her. So like I knew she wasn't gonna like this. She wasn't gonna like being groomed today. So I'm like, I guess we'll try next time. And then yeah, the PetSmart groomer was like, no, we can't do that here. If we try to like shave any more of that, we're probably gonna hurt her or something. So, you know, I recommend you go to the vet so then she can get like slightly sedated and then cut. And I'm like, damn. I mean, I did try to set up an appointment with a vet groomer, but for whatever reason, the groomer was out for the whole week, so. Have to try next week. I'm running out of ranch because it like spilled all over the place. Can't even bite into it. So weird. Another thing that I like doing with the wings is if it's like really saucy, I just dip the meat into the sauce. So I have here like some excess mango habanero. Ew. I can taste the mango now. It's like, oh my gosh, it's sweet. Like all I could like, so far like all I've been tasting is just like straight up spicy, no sweet. And like I just took a dip of the sauce and oh my gosh. Anyways, about Daisy, maybe I'll try showing up a picture on here of what she looks like right now. Looks kind of sad, but afterwards I went to TJ Maxx to do a little shopping and asking if they were hiring or whatever. And a lot of people thought that she looked cute. So I guess it works, right? I really like these fries, by the way. Fries. Okay, I really need to pee right now, so yeah, I can't hold it, so I'm gonna be right back. I didn't even drink that much today, so I'm like kind of surprised that I needed to go like that bad, but so whatever. Oh, maybe I'm hearing things because it's hella windy outside. All I hear is just banging and clanging, but like when I heard it earlier, it was coming from the hallway, and I was like kind of freaking out because like I thought someone was in here. But nobody's in here. I'm home alone with Daisy, obviously. My nose is getting all runny right now. And like all my foundation is like, look, you're running off. Wait, I didn't even wear foundation today. I wore I wore a BB cream. But still, not like the BB cream really covered anything. Gonna try dipping this wing in the sauce that's like covered up in the styrofoam. Oh, by the way, if you're in the Vegas area and looking for like cheap wings, these are actually not that bad. Because, yeah, like if you go to like Wingstop or something, six piece wings like with this combo is like almost $11-12, I believe. And then here, you can get like 6 wings by itself for like $5 something. So like less than $1 each, which is good. But plus the combo, it totals up to about like $7 to $8. So yeah, like Voodoo is a cheaper alternative to Wingstop and Buffalo Wild Wings. For those of you that didn't know. Wait, that was the last one. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so sad. That's what happens when you get too excited. You just forget that you're running out. And by the time it's out, you're just sad. It's okay, because I still have all these fries. And a little bit of ranch left too. I'm gonna do something wild and dip my fries into the habanero sauce. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Oh my god! Oh, that shit tastes bomb. I'm out of ranch. I mean, I have the one on the lid, but like, still, it's not that much. my gosh, okay. So, I think I said that I went to TJ Maxx after PetSmart, right? And, oh my gosh, I feel like recently they've been adding more and more makeup. So like there's just like a bigger selection of like the discontinued like high-end products and then the TJ Maxx products obviously. But yeah, I just feel like they keep having more and more, right? There are like a lot of NYX lip trios, and even like NYX glitter pot sets. And I actually bought one. I'll show you guys later when I'm finished eating my fries. But, oh my gosh, such a good deal, you guys. Go to TJ Maxx. Go buy all that. They still have Anastasia contour palettes, blush kits, highlighter, or sorry, not highlighter, well, like glow kits, obviously. What else did I see there? I think I did see Smashbox and oh, I saw MAC products as well. So yeah, there were like MAC box sets with like lip trios as well. And like even the TJ Maxx brands, I think they're stepping up their game with the palettes too. Their packaging is starting to become a lot cuter, and I'm like, ooh, this looks pretty. And then I look inside, and all the palettes are cracked. So I'm just like, okay, I guess I'll pass. I just wanted to point that out because yeah, all their packaging is starting to actually look good now. So like W7, Profusion, and all of that. Okay, and I'm done. Oh, but like I promised, I'm gonna show you what I bought from TJ Maxx, and then maybe I'll show you guys what Daisy looks like right now, too. Oh my gosh, that was so watery. Like, I nearly threw up. That's really gross, but I'm just telling you the truth. Let me go wash my hands first, and then I'll show you guys. Okay, so TJ Maxx. I got, see, it's called hashtag glitter goals. It comes with glitter primer and 3 glitters. This is really, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's like this nice, I kind of want to say pink, but not quite pink, but not quite purple either. There's a straight up purple, and then there's white. And I'm really excited to use this because I haven't like had time to like go buy makeup, and you know, and like even when I do like go shopping to find makeup, I never find like nice glitter pots. So when I saw this at TJ Maxx and it was only, what's the price? It's only $4.99 for all of this. I was geeked. I was like, I was sold, man. I was just like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna go buy this. I don't care. And my mom's probably gonna get mad. Well, I mean, maybe not mad, but she's like, you could have just like waited a little while, because my mom, she works at the distribution center at like TJ Maxx / Marshalls, and so she gets like 20% off like every month. So like 20% off in addition to like already discounted like makeup, you get like really good deals from like actually working there. That was a better one, by the way. Yeah. Oh, Daisy. That's right. Hey, girl. Hi, baby girl. See, oh, look at her. See, she got the majority of her body shaved, but not her head or her tail and barely her legs. See how uneven it looks? So sad. She's still a little bit fussy and fidgety right now. I mean, she's always hyper and whatnot, but yeah, it's what she looks like now. She used to have like a thick, it like appeared that she had like a thick coat and whatnot. But now that she's all shaved and stuff, she looks so skinny. She looks like a little wiener dog. And then she's like tiny too, so she's tiny and skinny. She's like a little me. Right? Oh my gosh, you're like a little me. You know how people say like their dog defines who they are? Yeah, so she's like tiny and skinny and always wants love and affection. Yeah, that's me. Anyways, yeah, this is the whole video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, you guys, bye. No, in all seriousness, I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. And without further ado, with you, sometimes I love you, you make me blue. Sometimes I feel good, at times I feel loose. Loving you, darling, makes me so confused. I keep on falling in and out of love with you. I never loved someone when I love you.